In this video, we're going to be learning the Korean alphabet. The alphabet has 14 consonants and 10 vowels. I'm going to share my screen with you now. So this is a perfect time for you to grab your notebook, a pen or a pencil, so that we could practice writing the alphabet. The first consonant we're going to write is ki역, and it looks something like this. Like that. Ki, yak. The name for each consonant starts with the consonant and ends with the consonant. Again, kiyak. You start from the top and to the bottom. It looks like a Tetris piece. Kiyak. Again, kiyak. It has a g sound to it. Kiyak. The next one is ni은, another Tetris looking piece. Ni, un. Again, ni은. This way, and then this way. Ni은. And it has a n sound to it. The next is tigut. T, good. This way first, then this, and then this. Tigut. And as you might have guessed, it has a d sound to it. Tigut. The next consonant is li을. Li, 을. Ooh. Li, 을. Li을. This way, and down, this way, and then this way. Li을. And it has an L sound to it. Li을. Here I've introduced the first 4 consonants. Now I'm going to tell you the first vowel, which is a, and it looks something like this. Here's the vowel. Like that, and it has an a sound to it. So if we combine the consonants with the vowel a, you get ka. And if you don't know any Korean at this point, you've learned your first word, ka, which is literally go. This equals go. Ka, ka. And then if you combine the vowel here, na, that means me. That is your second Korean word that you know, me. So something I'm curious about is 나 좋아해? Which translates to, do you like me? 나 좋아해? 나. Okay, the next is ta. Ta. And your third Korean word is all ta. A response to my first question, 나 좋아해, 다 좋아, means I like everything. Okay, and then la, the only fun thing that I can think about with la is 라면. 라면. And it's the ramen that we love. Here's a bowl, big bowl. Here's your chopsticks of awesome ramen, steaming hot ramen. And there you go. You've just learned 가, go, 나, me, 다, all, la, and that's the la of ramen or ramen. Okay. We will learn more about the Korean alphabet in my next video. If you are interested in learning more about virtual classes that you can do with me, you can contact me at my email at christina.che@gmail.com. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.